Brian back here with a look at Myro. All right, we got some super bullish stuff going on here with this thing. All right, we're going to cover that here in a second, but you don't want to miss this because this could be a real money maker here. All right, if we come over here to the free, the fear and greed index. Jeez, oh man, it's at a 27 today. It was at a 26 yesterday, so it's only up one click. Still near that extreme greed or extreme fear. I apologize. The crypto bubbles. This is your top 100. Look at Aave. I was in a trade on that yesterday. Boy, oh boy, I wish I would have stayed in that longer. I wrote it up there somewhat, but I jumped out. I was happy with the profits I got. Boy, it would have been a lot more. Wow. But there's lots more trades out there to be made. That's for sure. Looking to get in on a Caspa one here pretty soon. As far as Myro goes, let's take a look here. Rank number 431. 12 million in volume, that's it. $62.5 million market cap. Rank number 431. A $62.5 million market cap. Man, oh man, this thing could really go a lot further, you know, than where it's at right now. That's for sure. It's got a lot of potential, you know. A lot of people out there, so it's dead. I don't know. I don't know about that. Bitcoin wallets holding at least 100 Bitcoin have reached a 17-month high. Right through here, the larger Bitcoin holders have been increasingly active lately, gobbling up more crypto as smaller traders feel the pressure and sell their holdings. The number of Bitcoin wallets holding at least 100 Bitcoin or more has just hit a 17-month high after a surge in holdings over the past month. Data shared by blockchain analytics platform Sentiment in an August 31st X post shows over 283 wallets managed to cross the 100 Bitcoin mark in August. A net gain of plus 283 wallets holding at least 100 Bitcoin has emerged in just 1 month. Now 16,120 wallets hold at least 100 Bitcoin. The now 16,120 such wallets on the network has broken a 17-month high. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, so you know when the big boys start gobbling Bitcoin up, you know bottom must be near, right? I mean that's usually how it goes. USDT dominance. All right, this is something we definitely have to take a look at. It has been on the rise. It's been on the rise since what, February? Yeah, March. Okay, since March, USDT dominance has been rising. That means people have been selling crypto and going into USDT more. All right, which is not a good sign. You want to see that falling, obviously. Now, Bitcoin has come back and hit a 618 retracement. All right, yesterday I'd like to see it hold at 57,000. Well, it wicked down there. Look at this. Let me open this up for you. It wicked down and touched the 618, and then it went right back up above that 57,000. All right, so is this good enough for a pullback? It could be. All right, the daily RSI is heading to the upside. All right, now the other ones are starting to head that way. You got your 3-day curving, turning that way. All right, your 5-day doing the same thing down the bottom. You know, it's curving to the upside. We have a green 5-day candle here. You know, this thing is just looking good. And if you go out on a monthly, I talked about this close. You know, you got a hammer candle here. That's a reversal candle. You know, a hammer candle is a good sign of a reversal, and we got that monthly close. And you know, so hopefully this thing is reversing and heading to the upside. But 57,000 has held. It wicked down to a 618 and then went right back up. Now, as far as Myro goes, we were looking for an entry right around the 618,702. All right, it came down. It did come down through there. What happened was it double bottomed. All right, which is totally fine. 1, 2. All right, extremely bullish. Double bottoms are very bullish. Double tops are bearish. Like right here, say it stopped here and plummeted down and just went to nothing. Double tops are bearish, and this is going to go higher. All right, we had a double bottom come in here on Myro. We have bullish divergences going on, like on the 12-hour here. You know, we had this low here. We had a higher low on the RSI. These were exactly the same here. All right, we have the 12-hour turning back to the upside. We have our daily has just turned up for Myro. The 3-day is just turning to the upside. Yeah, this thing's looking good. The market's looking good, guys. I think a turnaround's coming, and the 5 days heading to the upside. I definitely think that was a bottom there for Myro. You know what we were looking for here, and I think we nailed this. I think that bottom has come in here. All right, now, oh, that was just the divergence there. I was wondering what that blue line was on there. Now, we talked about it holding this low, and sure enough, I mean, it has held it. It's double tapped it, and this thing is getting ready to go. If this is a wave 3 coming in here, this thing should start moving pretty decent. Probably, you probably had your 1, 2. This is either, you know, probably a third wave starting here. All right, so expecting a run here for the crypto market. Now, this high right up here for Myro. Let's take a look at this. Let's go on a daily. All right. Yeah, you know, this right here is a pretty good area that you definitely want to see taken out, right around that 7 cents. Now this high, right about 7.715. All right, that's what we want to see taken out. That was this high back here, and it's failed. You know, it hasn't gone back up there since. But that was obviously this was a former support area right back through here. Okay, if I pull this over, there you go. You can see that was support. Then once we lost it there, you want to see it regain that. That would be the first big step here, taking back 7.1 and flipping that back into support there, which I see that coming. All right, and then the next area to take out up at 9.6, that was former, you know, it came up resistance rejected, we fell through support. You know, we haven't came back up and retested, and now it's resistance. I suspect we're busting through here, and then the big test will come up here at 9.6. But I see a bottom in here, guys. I really do. I think that is a bottom, and I think this market is on the turnaround here. I really do. I think you know, it's time. We were looking for possibly this coming down to 3 cents. I just don't see it now. I just do not see it now. Zoom in on a 1 hour. I want to see this 5 waves down in here, right back over, like through here. You know, you might have had a 1, 2, 3, 4. That could have been the 5th wave right there. And then if we come out on a 4 hour, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. Let's get that measurement off that thing. Might just that might just be it right there. You know, that could be it. You know, that was the 4, 5. That might be all it wrote. That might be it right there. That could be the end of it. So, not looking for this thing to come down any further. I truly believe that low's in, and this thing is heading back up. I really don't think it's coming down here in that 3 cents. Not with all these RSIs. Looking away, the bullish divergences coming in. All your RSIs reset, the 5-day, the 3-day, the daily, and the weekly. They're all heading to the upside. You know, so I definitely think the bottom is in here. So let's get this thing going. Like I said, that first area to regain 7.1. That's step number 1. Okay, once we take that back, then we'll talk about the next step from there. But right now, Myro looks very good. I hope some of you guys got in that trade. We were looking for, like I said, that 7.02. We ended up getting the wick down for a double bottom. That's fine. But if you were looking for the entry where I got in right up around here, that 7.02. So, in pretty decent profit right now. Please check into a level 3 membership, guys. We have over 200 members. Supports the channel big time. It's 15 bucks. You get over 10 hours of videos to watch to teach you how to start charting, and you get a link to the Discord to come start trading with us. So please check it out. We'd appreciate it so much. We've got a lot of great people over there. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll be back with you soon.